you so much. You're the best husband ever. Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we are in Seattle, Washington. Very exciting. And we just got to our hotel room near the Crowne Plaza downtown. And before we go out and explore the rest of the city this week, we want to take you on a quick tour of our room. So if you want to check out this hotel, see if maybe it's worth staying here for you, stick around and find out. So let's go.
Let's go. All right guys, so we are heading on in. And here we go. Here is the lobby. That's where you check in. Get some snacks over there. And yeah, we're gonna head on up. What floor are we on?
31st.
Oh wow, so we're all the way at the top. We're pretty close.
Really?
Yeah.
This hotel has 34 floors. We're at the 31st.
Well, technically it only has 33 floors because there's no floor 13.
That is correct.
How smart am I?
Yeah.
So,
The office I used to work in downtown had like no 13. I think it was missing like 16 or something weird too.
Yeah.
14 or some other floor was like just randomly missing.
Okay.
See, we have 7 though. In Asia, they tend to leave off 7, I was told.
Elevator's pretty quick though. Like we're already at the 31st floor. All right, so we are in room 3154. And let's go check it out. Alright, so when you first walk in, immediately to the left is plenty of closet space. We managed to hide all of our luggage in there. And yes,
there's a standard closet. There's a safe down there. Ironing board, iron.
3 suitcases and a couple of other bags.
2 turntables and a microphone.
2 turntables and a microphone. I don't understand that reference.
It's Beastie Boys. 2 turntables and a
Oh,
microphone.
okay, yeah, you're right. Okay, we take the masks off now. Alright, cool. So turning to the right, we have your lovely beige wallpaper. But we have the nice bathroom. I'm pretty sure this bathroom is bigger than my college dorm room. Not even kidding. We have a wonderful mirror there.
Well, it's handicap accessible. I think that's why it's so big. I mean, look how big the door is so you can get your wheelchair.
Oh, gotcha.
Grab handles.
Okay, so did not know we were given an accessible room. That's pretty cool. All right. Some interesting artwork on the wall there. And then heading this way, we have a wonderful Keurig machine, even though neither of us drink coffee.
Looks like we got a couple bottles of water.
Yeah, which is good.
That's always good.
Yeah. We've already cranked the AC down to like -50 because it's so hot.
It's not going to stay there overnight. It's 60 outside. All right.
I baked it over.
Yeah.
Okay. And as we pan to the right, some more artwork. A big comfy bed, which I'm excited to take a nap in because it's like time for a nap. Some more artwork. This pretty interesting chair, but definitely the reason why Lewis picked this room is for the view. You can see out there is the Space Needle. We will be visiting the Space Needle, I think, a couple days from now. Wednesday. So that'll be in a future video. But then as we pan over to the left, there is Puget Sound. And we will be maybe seeing Puget Sound tonight because I think we're going to take a ferry a little bit later today. So that's going to wrap up our room tour.
Does that wrap up your room tour?
What else do you want to talk about?
Are you forgetting something?
I'm not forgetting anything. And then of course you guys, Lewis got me these wonderful flowers for our anniversary. He's so good to me. I can't focus on him. Yeah, good job. So bright and red.
And you were super excited when you opened up the door and you said, "Oh, honey, are these for me? Did you give me flowers? Oh my God, I love you so much. You're the best husband ever."
That's pretty much exactly how that went.
Yeah, I know.
Yes, he knows, because he is. So, I think you got like some pretty, this isn't baby's breath. I'm not sure what this is, but this is really cool. Almost looks like Dusty Miller. We had Dusty Miller at our wedding flowers. And that's one of Lewis's plants that he knows is Dusty Miller. Remember? Yeah. So, do you want to share the note?
It says, "To my darling wife, Christine, happy 4th anniversary and to many more. Love, Lewis." And I did not write this, by the way, because I would have capitalized "to" in love for sure. I just dictated it over the phone. So didn't know those weren't going to be capitalized. That's that
funny.
Really bad.
No, I think it's perfect. You did a great job, babe.
For the price I paid, you can get some capital letters in there. I can tell you that much.
I love the flowers. I love the room. I love the view. And I love my husband.
Smell good.
Yep. All right, can we go get some lunch now, please?
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, guys. So hang with us for the next couple videos, and we'll show you guys all the awesome things that you can see here in Seattle. All right, we're gonna get some lunch. Bye.
The next day.
All right, honey. So we're being very quiet today.
We're using our library voices.
We're using our library voices. So where are we and what are we doing?
So we're at the hotel restaurant named Regatta. Just ordered breakfast. They have a number of different options. Looks like a lot of American, it's typical breakfast, right? Eggs, bacon, toast. There's a vegan option I think I saw on there.
Oh, okay, I missed that.
At least vegetarian. You can double check the menu. I know you got some shots of that. So they also have coffee, juice, a number of different drinks. Seems pretty nice. I got the all-American, so standard eggs, bacon, sausage. Very quiet in here. Very few people. We walked in at 7:30. They've been open for an hour, and we're the only people. We were the first people here, and they just sat somebody behind us just recently. Still only 2 parties. I don't know if that's a COVID thing. Maybe people still aren't traveling quite as much, but or maybe
people are already. Well, maybe people are already at work. It's Monday.
Yeah, but we got important plans today. Got a plane to catch.
Yeah. So all right.
Not leaving yet, though.
Not leaving yet. So okay. So what I'll do is I will include our breakfast reviews in with the hotel reviews.
Yeah.
So you guys won't see our exciting adventures on this vlog, but you will see this potentially in a future vlog.
Like, share, and subscribe, and stick around if you want to see all the things that we get up to here in Seattle.
Alright guys, there's Lewis's all-American breakfast, and here is my omelet. Everything looking really good. I'm excited for my muffin and stay some toasted. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy this.
Like, share, and subscribe, and stick around if you want to see all the things that we get up to here in Chicago. I almost said Cincinnati. No, this isn't Chicago either.
Oh, I have the one step one. I'm like, why am I not? Why is it black? All right. You're cute.
C's and S's confuse me.
Yeah, a little dyslexic.
Yeah, I's and E's and C's and S's. I never liked them.
Considering how those are all the letters in my name, that's fine.
They seem redundant. Like, we need to, thin the herd out on that. Get rid of like the I's. Get rid of the C's.
Okay, so then how would you spell my name then?
S H.
Get out of here.